Hi guys, thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to talk about skin, winter skin. Now I don't know about you, but my skin is really suffering in this horrible, harsh, freezing cold weather. I hate it. Roll on the spring. But anyway, I'm going to show you some lovely night creams, lovely hydrating products, which are fantastic for this time of year. I get a lot of sort of fine lines and dryness, especially around this area. So let's see what I've got for you. So the first product I'm going to talk to you about is this. I don't know if you've seen it, it's been around for a while. It's by a company called Weleda. They've been going for donkey's years. They are available in health food stores and certain other outlets. This is absolutely brilliant, absolutely brilliant. It's a very rich kind of emollient cream. You can tell it's plant-based. You can smell rosemary and lavender and all sorts of things like that. And it contains beeswax, it's got lanolin, it's got almond oil. It is so nourishing. You just need a tiny, tiny bit. Look at that. That's all you need for your whole face. Your skin feels nourished, hydrated. It's very rich. Kind of melt it into your fingertips and apply it all over your skin, and your skin will feel very sort of, what can I say, almost oily, but it's not oily. It contains lanolin. Now lanolin, I don't know if you know, it's derived from sheep's wool, and it is very similar in structure to human sebum. So it really works in harmony with your natural skin. I put it on at night. I've been using it for the last week, and I'm telling you, although it feels kind of slightly greasy, but in a nice way, greasy, if that makes sense. I wake up in the morning, there's not a trace of grease, my skin feels supple and soft. I really, really like it. This is brilliant if you've got rosacea or sensitive skin, but having said that, it does contain essential oils, so, you know, I mean, who knows if you're going to react to it or not. It's something for you to try. That is around £10, which I think is a bargain because it goes a long way. A little bit really, really goes a long way. So my next favourite product is EMBRYOLISSE. You've probably come across this. This is this got a bit of a cult following amongst people. You'll find it in most makeup artists' kits. This is the original product. They do creams and lotions and all sorts. It's brilliant as a primer. It's brilliant as a moisturiser. You can use it to remove makeup, use it as a mask. I use this quite regularly as a night cream. Not at the moment, I'm using my Weleda because my skin is particularly dry. But you know, once it's kind of stabilised, I would go back to using my EMBRYOLISSE. It's like a lovely treatment. My skin feels like velvet. Really, literally, it's got a very sort of buttery, velvety texture without feeling greasy, if that makes sense. So this has got hyaluronic acid, beeswax, almond oil, brilliant products to make your skin feel hydrated, and it's going to leave your skin super, super soft, feeling like velvet. And a bonus is if you're putting your makeup on, it's just going to glide on. It's a fantastic all-purpose product. In fact, I don't know anything which is a primer, a moisturiser and a mask and a makeup remover all in one. Just in case you're wondering, this is about £20 or thereabouts for a 75ml tube, which is brilliant. Next is a product which has been reviewed extensively recently, and I managed to get hold of it. It's Cien, and it's been compared very extensively to La Prairie. This is brilliant. This is about £3.99 or thereabouts. It's available in Lidl only. It's a lovely whipped up rich cream full of antioxidants. It's got 1% gold, believe it or not. It's supposed to be toning on your skin. You've got Q10, it's paraben free, you've got no mineral oils, it contains vitamin E, it's got hyaluronic acid. It's a lovely rich cream, but not so rich that it's greasy. I would say this is useful for any kind of skin type. It's lovely. It's very lightly fragranced, but not overly fragranced, and it just sinks into your skin. Very, very easy to work with. Lovely, really nice. It's sort of gentle fragrance, sort of florally, which I like very much. And I've been using this for the past couple of weeks and very, very happy with it. It doesn't feel sticky, just sort of nice. It sinks in really, really nicely. So that's definitely a winner for me. And for that price point, you know. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of our video on moisturisers. I really, really hope you found that informative. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. That really, really helps me. And otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.